Hi everyone, welcome back once again to our OSINT series. So today we'll be looking into a website, a platform from where we can track the money of US government. So first of all, this video is for educational purpose only and for research purpose. So there might be a lot of scenarios when we are looking into US government fund because there's a lot of countries those who are getting monetary aids. Like for example, there is Ukraine. Recently, they got a lot of funds from US government. There's a lot of NGOs in India. There's a lot of companies in India. Those are getting a high fund from US government, but from where the US government is getting all those finances, right? So we'll be tracking out the grants, the charities, the NGOs who are funding US government. Okay, how the US government is spreading all those things to the multiple countries, multiple NGOs to all over the world. And there is a department, DOGE, which was recently started in the US, okay, which is actually working on how they are highlight the things which is going wrong at the back end of the US government. So that is a little different. We'll discuss on that specific topic as well. But the today's the topic of discussion is how money flow through government grants, charities, and NGO. So again, I repeat, this is for the education purpose only, and like there's a lot of people those who are doing couple of research on the same topic. So this is going to help you a lot as well. So let me give you a small recap. What are things we are going to cover today? So the platform on which we are going to work today is something like you will able to discover. Just a minute. Discover how money flows to US government, grants, right, from charities and NGOs. So recently there was an incident in India where the intelligence agencies got to know about the finances that anti-Indian movements are getting was from George Soros, who was, I guess, staying in US. And there's a lot of peoples, those who are funding the backside of bad side of US Indian aids as well. So there is a Pannu, a person named as Pannu, who is staying in Canada. So he's also funding a lot of violence activity in India. So you can track down all those NGOs, right? And so I'll just show you a platform. So let's get into the website from where you can look out for all those things. So the website is datarepublican.com, right? So they are working from 1776. So here you can check out like billions of dollars are spent on government grants, charities, and other organizations every year. But from where they are getting, right, and for where they are going to end up. So on the left side, you can check out there's a multiple sections. Okay, first is people relationship, right? Here you can see this is the new section which was added recently, where you can look out to uncover connection between the key individuals in the organization. For example, there is an organization in US, those who are funding some violence activities in multiple nations, right? So who is working at the back end? Who is the founding members? Who are the people? Who are the key members? Those who are working in that organization. So you can check out all those things from here. Let me open in new tab. Next thing is uh, principal officer search. Okay, this is something which is pretty good, which can help you a lot as well. So here you can identify who is leading non-profit and charities, right? Next is bulk NGO officer search, which means you can analyze multiple organizations at the same time, right? For common persons, those who are, there is a person who is leading multiple organizations. So you can check out all those things from this specific area, which is called bulk NGO officer search. And then yeah, this one, federal grant search. Okay, here you can look out for funding stream and see where exact taxpayer dollars are going, which is probably for the US peoples. So there's a lot of people those who are paying tax in multiple countries, but specifically this website focus for the US, right? So here you can check out the people those who are paying tax to the government, where the money is going, right, where the things is getting binded up. So recently, as per my knowledge, there was a Dodge also specified a fund which was given to Iran, and that was for the condoms actually, which was waste of time or waste of money as well. So there was a lot of people those who just keep a voice on that specific thing. So you can look for all those things as well from this specific area. And now there is a one more section which is called charity graph, right? From here you can visualize the relationship exactly, from where the money is coming from, where the things are getting, how much finances they are getting, the gross reception, contribution, how many grants they have. So you can look out all those things in a graphical manner from here, which probably using data analytics. So the graph is loading, and next section might be Yeah, non profit financials, right? Here you can access the financial records of charity and NGO, which is making it easier that ever follow the monies, right? So we'll be exploring all those sections to understand exactly what are the information we can get, right? So first, let me check out this specific section, charity and fund, right? So you need to enter the name or any specific keyword which specify any organization. So just keep it here and you will get plenty of result, right? So this one seems to be little interesting. Let me zoom up. So here you can see there is a Omega Institute for Holistic, from where they are getting finances, how many taxpayer funds are getting in this organization. So they are getting zero. Okay, so this one might not be a government agency. So taxpayer funds are approx 17 lakh US dollar, which is in American Diabetes Association. So this is how you can check out all those things. So if I'm going to explain all this specific area, then this will take a lot of time. Okay, but again, this website is pretty good. Okay, you can get a lot of information for your research and all those things. So just have a research. Let me know what you feel like. Okay, and accordingly, I can help you out for doing multiple research as well. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.